Our thirst for closeness with the divine cannot be quenched simply by searching for answers inside of books. Sometimes we must walk until our feet carry us to witness the glory of Al-Khaliq through the perfection of the creation that surrounds us. The passing of the day into the night is one of the signs of God, a sign so gloriously painted upon the canvas of the sky that even the waters blush out of shyness of His majesty. I am thankful for this moment. Who knew that gratitude could look this beautiful? Alhamdulillah.